Welcome to this short video about how to create a virtual scenario in CASUS. First of all, you have to log in with your credentials. After having logged in, you see a menu from which you choose Authoring. When you open the authoring system for the first time, you won't see any cases you have created so far, so you click Create New Case. Here you choose a case name, so let's say a test case, and you can choose learning case or an exam case. And you click Save. The next step is that the case will open in the authoring system. On the left-hand side, you see the navigation of your scenario. There, the system automatically has created the first chapter and the first card. In the middle, the card content is displayed. You have different elements you can add on that card, like text, a question with an answer, and a multimedia element. On the right-hand side, there are additional elements you can add to your scenario, which are especially designed for fostering clinical reasoning. To start creating your first case, you can just click into the text field and enter a text. For saving your text, you have two options. You can click either here on the Save symbol or click Save down here. The text editor provides plenty of opportunities to change the style of your text, so like making something bold, for example. If you want to add a question to your card, just click here and enter your question. And again, just save it. For your question, you can then choose from different answer types. So for example, you have multiple choice answers, free text answers, or sorting answers. For this card, let's say we choose a multiple choice answer. For this type of answer, you can simply enter here your items of your question and so on, and choose the correct answers on the left side. So in this case, let's say item B is correct. To add more answers, simply choose a number from the box here. We always recommend that you enter an answer comment for your questions to explain to your learners why this answer is correct and why the other ones are incorrect. And again, click Save. Finally, you can upload any kind of multimedia material such as images or videos. So in this case, we upload an image of an injured guinea pig because our virtual scenario is about a guinea pig. You can also enter a caption down here. To see how your scenario looks in the player mode, you can always click on Preview, and you can experience how your students will see the scenario. In the preview mode, you can also test your questions, and you will get the same feedback as your learners will get. To go back to the authoring, just click Close Preview. Now you have created a virtual scenario with just one card. In order to create more cards, click with the right mouse button on the card name and click New Card. Then choose a card name and just click Save. And your second card is created. This way you can create as many cards as you want. To change the name of your card, again click with the right mouse button and choose Edit Info. Just change it and click on Save. By clicking on the case name, you are able to change the name of your case, and you can enter a lot of metadata. This can be important for search functionality or providing more information to your students. In the upper left-hand corner, you see small icons with which you can export your case as a PDF, as a Word document, or simply print it on paper. After you've made all your changes, again, just click Save and Close. If you need more information, for example, about the different answer types, or if you're not sure about a feature in CASUS, you can always click on the Help page and you will get more information about almost anything in the authoring system. To close your case creation session, just click on Go To and go back to the case selection. And now you see your first case in your list. If you want to continue working on your case, you can open the case by just clicking on the case name. In the end, your virtual scenario might look like this. This was a short introduction into the basic features of the CASUS authoring system. You will find a description of more features in the CASUS help system, or feel free to contact us anytime if you have any further questions. And now have fun creating your first virtual scenario in CASUS.